Vlog on us being up here. Hello is in my face. Hey guys. How's everybody? We're doing our little switcheroo. We're going into Easter and springtime right now.
Is it really recording?
Yeah.
Okay, we're doing a new display. So awesome. Okay.
It's springtime.
With a lot of bunnies. Lots of bunnies and eggs. We're doing a lot of displays. Come and see them. Not only for spring, but for Easter as well. And we have a lot of bunnies.
We've got all kinds of beautiful ribbon on display as well. We are using one of our new ribbons here. It's our gnome ribbon, which is really cute. A lot of our burlaps, of course, which are real springtime. And I think this one that's got all the mixed flowers in it. That blue,
this one is beautiful.
That's a beautiful new ribbon. We're excited to have that here, just to show off all of our spring flowers. So spring is popping.
So we just got these archways in, and Shirley and Rocky had been working on this display yesterday and all this morning. But this archway is available here. You can purchase just the archway itself and then purchase all the flowers and put it together yourself.
And it's very simple construction.
Yeah.
It's very, very simple. I put it together myself. It was so simple. Can you believe that? Anyway, but it's very inexpensive as well. Oh, and we also have the lavender that just came in as well, the artificial lavender. So that's one of the new things that we're using and showcasing in this display.
So the archway is a little shorter. We kind of raised it up and elevated in a couple of these boxes. And it's just elevated a little bit. So you can just either put it on the floor or elevate it in something like this. It's totally up to you. Besides this, what we're doing, or what we worked on yesterday, was this beautiful tree. And it's constructed by a lot of cherry blossoms. We have 3 kinds of cherry blossoms in there. There's about 120. There's about 120 cherry blossoms, but just a mixture of colors and textures. We also put some hydrangeas in there, pink. We made it all pink for Easter and for spring. So anytime you have like a wedding, this could be used for a wedding. It could be any kind of party. And so we just put 4 of these birch together, tied it at the top. But if you want to learn how to do that, you can come over and ask us. We just covered the bottom a little bit with some greenery. So we have all of this greenery. It could be just, just to cover the mechanics behind all that.
Tina, we're going to be having a seminar coming up. Is that right?
Yeah.
Next month. So it's going to be an all-day event. We're going to be showing you how to create some props. We're going to be showing you how to create a display wall. We're going to cover that wall with boxwood panels, and we're going to show you how to decorate that wall as well using different accent florals. That's going to be in the morning, and then we're going to serve lunch. And then in the afternoon, I think from about 2 to 4, we're going to be doing an archway, or we're going to be doing an arch frame, and we're going to decorate that with greenery and mixed flowers and ribbon, and give you some options and show you how to do that. So you've got to look online. I believe they're going to post that online, and you can look up all the information. The cost for the class, I think, or the seminar, is going to be $75, I believe, and we're going to be serving lunch. And sign up, go to CRAFTEX.biz, and you'll learn some of the tricks and some of the secrets that we'll be able to share with you. You'll be able to come and take photos and take notes and take videos, ask questions, and be a part of the process. And
that's a very good price.
I think so. I think so. And lunch is going to be included too. So come by.
And besides all that, we have our class, a bow tying class, and that's going to be simple on March 10th. It's a Friday, and it's going to be given out. The class will be given out by Shirley, one of our newer designers here, and just come over and have some fun. It's going to be, how much is the class going to be?
$20 fee just to hold your place for the class, and it's going to be bow tying 101. 2 bows, I'm sorry. Okay, so it's going to be intermediate level, I believe. So it's going to be using 2 ribbons at once or at the same time to create a multi-level layer bow. So it's $20 to reserve your seat, and then of course you get to come in and choose your own ribbons, and you'll be learning how to tie the ribbons and learning all the different techniques on how to tie a ribbon in a bow, make it your own. So choose an inexpensive ribbon and then back it with a pretty really expensive ribbon and make it look like $1 million. So it's going to be amazing. So it's always a fun thing. If you don't learn anything else, come and learn how to make a bow.
So like I said before, we have a lot of bunnies, and look at all these beautiful bunnies. These are going to be on display, so you can put some flower arrangements in the back. You can just kind of put them like this. But if you make a beautiful tall arrangement here, you can use it as a centerpiece or something on your entryway. We got a lot of these eggs in different colors. And as you can see here, Araceli put something together here with all these greeneries and these carrots, all of these colorful, beautiful eggs. They're just amazing. Look at that. And you can hang them. So the purpose of making this tree was to kind of hang something up there. You can hang some eggs, and that'll look really pretty.
What? I want you to see what the beautiful work that Araceli is doing on our mantle. Look at what she's just created here. Isn't that gorgeous? This is Araceli Perez. She's one of our newest designers. And this is something that she's building for her fireplace mantle. Isn't that gorgeous? It
is beautiful.
With all the spring flowers, the peonies, the snapdragons, the magnolias, the beautiful greenery. And I think in addition to this, she's going to be making a couple of swags to flank the mirror there. And this will be our part of our new springtime Easter entryway. So that's a beautiful piece. So excited. That's just gorgeous to look at. Thank you, Araceli.
With all the new flowers that we're getting in, she's creating a beautiful piece.
Yes.
And repurposing.
Yes.
Repurposing everything, because that's something that we did for Valentine's Day. So now she's repurposing it. You can repurpose everything.
Yeah, that's part of the beauty with working with artificials and silk flowers. You can always take something, you can pull something out, make a quick adjustment, and transform it into the next season.
Dying, right? And then all of a sudden that wreath goes like this. I'm working on it and it's going to. Oh my God, I wanted to die. Like seriously, that was so funny. And then he brings me the short ladder. So then I'm working, tranquilo. So then I'm working on the short ladder. And I was just like, and well, my whole back is to it, dude. I was literally dying. You know you're not recording.